Hi friends, this is Sriram again. So now going to unbox a new product, that is humidifier. I'll tell why humidifier is needed. Actually in US during winter season, outside is very cold. Okay, so inside the room we are going to stay. So what we will do, we will use a heater, inbuilt heater. So what the heater will do, right? It will get the air from outside, in the blower it will go, and it will pass on the heat air inside the room. Okay, due to this, the water particles in the air is getting lost, and it's like very dry air flows inside the room. Okay, due to that you won't feel that humidity inside. You lose everything. The air particles, everything you lose. What will happen? The air become dry whenever you are inside this particular room, right? So your nose and fully body will also become dry. Okay, due to this, sometimes you will start getting itching in the nose, and then sometimes you will get a blood also, especially the Indians, not only Indians, whoever comes out of that winter countries, right? So they will face this particular issue. So for that, what we need to do, we need to buy a humidifier and we need to set up in our home. So what the humidifier will do is, like, we will pour water inside the humidifier and we'll switch on the humidifier. It will just spread the water particles in the air. So inside the room you will feel the water particles are present inside, so your body won't become dry. Okay, this is the principle why we need a humidifier. Okay, so now let's go and unbox what we have got. We have brought is Levoit Humidifier, is smart humidifier. So it actually 3 liters. So if you pour 3 liters of water, it will work for overnight, around 6 to 8 hours it will come. Okay, so we can control this humidifier using smart technology. Let's unbox and see how it works. This is the box. Let's unbox. Let's remove this. Nothing inside. That is true. Yeah, we have attached power cable, so this one we will put it in socket, and this is humidifier. Here only we need to fill the water, so you will get a vapor over here. Okay, let's see how it works. Yeah, now we have unboxed it and I will show. This is a place we can pour the water. It has a capacity of 3 liters, and lower is the portion. Here you can add essential oil for aromatic. And now I connected this with the power button, and let's see how it works. Yeah, now I have switched on this humidifier. Now you can see the humidity is 66%. If I keep, you can see it is auto. Okay, if it is in auto, if the humidifier, it won't work. Like what it will do, it will sense the humidity. If it is less than 50%, then only it will auto on. So suppose you are feeling it should be on before it's going to 50%, then you can change the modes. Okay, now you can see again, this is button to change the mode. Now I am keeping low. Now you can see the airflow, and now changing the mode to high. You can see the airflow is more. Okay, now this one we can control using your mobile app also. We have mobile app specifically for this. That one you can connect it to Alexa also, so we can do a voice control as well. Okay, now let's see how that mobile app works. Yeah, as I said, we have an app for this, right? The app name is VSync. Okay, this is the app. Okay, just I'm going to go on. I have already paired my device with this, so you can see under that we have a device settings. So let me go inside. Now you can see it's on. Now here you can control your displays. This display you can control over here. If you want a display, you can select as. Otherwise, you need to untag it. You can see the display has been gone over here. Okay, so now I need to add a display, and just to select. Now display is there. Now I'm going to change the modes. Now you can see there are three modes: auto, low and high. Okay, now it is in auto, the humidity is not less than 50%, that's why it's not on. Now I'm going to change it to low. Now I have changed it to low. Now you can see it started, humidifier started. Okay, now I'm going to change it to high. Now it's in high, you can see there is a more airflow. Okay. So using this app we can control it. And now I have not set up the Alexa, so I'm not doing a voice control, but I can show you this app control. Now you can switch off here. Also we can have the option to schedule as well, what time you need to on and off, and then you can schedule over this option. And we have a timer also, how long you need to run. So we have timer option also. So you want to run only for 2 hours, so those things you can set it over here. Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, like it and share it.